Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on the title analytics. So once you look for your product here in the product research tool, you'll see something like this. And then up here you have the title analytics. You click there and then you will see the top 10 selling titles. So these, as you can read here, are the titles used by the top 10 selling items. So all these are being successful titles. And then you can simply copy like this to clipboard and then you have it. You will also have the information of the amount of characters, and then you scroll down here, you have the long tail keywords and the generic keywords. And the long tail keywords, they give you an understanding what people are typing on eBay when they're looking for dog gate in this case, okay? So they don't just type dog or gate, they type things like gate mesh fence, dog babe safety, and so on. And then here you have the amount of competitors that are using these long tail keywords in their title. Then you have the amount of sales that the long tail keywords generated. And then the score tells you how many sales per competitor. So you take the number of sales and divide by the number of sellers. Of course, the higher the number, the higher the score. And then the generic keywords, you can see how many sales each keyword generated. Let's just remove here a few words from this title that we typed here. And then as you click on each word, it will automatically be added to the title. Once you're happy with your title, you simply click here, copy to clipboard, and paste it in your listings. Now, this is it for the title analytics. Thank you very much for watching. Have a beautiful day.